Hello guys, Kalisik is here. Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to install ParamSpider and use of ParamSpider. Now, go to the GitHub page of ParamSpider. Here is the installation, uses and example of ParamSpider. Now, install the ParamSpider. Let's clone this to our terminal. Copy this and paste to our terminal. And then change the directory to ParamSpider, cd ParamSpider, and then install this. Copy this and paste to our terminal. In this installation, if this command is not working to your Linux system, then you can try this command, python 3 setup.py install. Here are a few examples of how to use ParamSpider. For discover URL for a single domain, we can use ParamSpider-d example.com, and discover URLs for multiple domains, we use ParamSpider-l domains.txt. For our testing purpose, we choose this site, test.php. Copy this site and spider-d and paste the site. ParamSpider is a versatile tool designed to find URLs with parameters from different sources such as web pages, JavaScript files, and APIs. By extracting these URLs, bug bounty hunters can focus on parameter-based vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and open redirects. The output is saved in this directory. Let's see all the directory ls, and now change the directory to the result, cd results. Now read the result, cat the output file name, and we see that the result is here.